Hi, I am Dharmik. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Just Play Soccer. Today we are going to talk about 6 reasons why Ole Gunnar Solskjaer should not be sacked from Manchester United. Without a delay, let's head on to our reasons. Reason number 1 is hire and fire policy. Now the first thing comes to my mind is the famous quote by Albert Einstein. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again but expecting different results. This hire and fire policy has never led to a growth of a team or in fact any individual. For example, it took Liverpool approximately 5 good years to be at the place where they are right now. Great things take time to happen and Rome was not built in a day. Hire and fire policy would simply unsettle Man United. Reason number 2 is need for good ecosystem. Manchester United needs a good sporting director like Edwin van der Sar, who is known to change fate of Ajax. While there were reports of Manchester United getting in touch with Edwin van der Sar in November 2019, nothing much is done about the same. Under his leadership, Ajax made way into the finals of Europa League in 2017 and the Champions League semi-final in the following year. Reason number 3 is Mauricio Pochettino's lack of silverware at Tottenham. While many of us are harping about the fact that how Pochettino would help Man United with his service, one can't forget the fact that he has not won a single trophy while his 6-year-long stint at Tottenham. Reason number 4 is Ole's record against top 6. Solskjaer has a stunning record against the top 6. The baby-faced assassin secured 3 wins over Manchester City last season, out of which came a couple of them at Etihad Stadium, 3 wins over Chelsea. He even forced Liverpool to shed points against them. Reason number 5 is failed transfer policies. If one has to go by the reports of ESPN, the team has failed to sign every single name given by Solskjaer for the summer transfer window. Now, instead of solving woes at the right wing and centre back, they went on to sign an aging striker like Edinson Cavani. Jadon Sancho could have been an ideal fit at the right wing. Reason number 6 is lack of committed players. Does United really need to carry the burden of non-performing players like David De Gea, Paul Pogba or even Jesse Lingard? If we were to analyze these players closely, David De Gea has made the silliest of the errors, whereas Paul Pogba is least interested in staying with the Red Devils. Lingard has not even made it to the score sheet for quite a long time now. That's all we have for now. Thanks for watching the video. While a lot of you might disagree with our opinion, feel free to weigh your views in the comment section below. Lastly, for more interesting content, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.